Cause I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love, so don't give away my love.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adwoa Doreen. Today we are doing an apartment tour, so let's come in and get started. So when you enter my apartment, the first thing you will see is kind of this small hallway section here. Instead of like a whole entry section, I just have a mirror here that I bought from Target, and I also have this plant that I got the vase from, I think, Burlington, and the white pampas grass from Amazon. I will link it down below. Okay, the first door that you see when you enter my apartment is this door. It's actually my bathroom, so let's go right in and I will show you guys my bathroom. My favorite thing about my apartment was actually my bathroom. As you might not be able to tell, but it's quite spacious, especially for a New York apartment. The bathroom is huge. I have my shower. It's actually a bath here. This really great mirror that's very unconventional for New York. So I have this really nice sink. It's not very normal, like people in New York, well, at least in the Bronx, don't have this kind of sink, so it's really nice. I have a medicine cabinet here. I just keep some stuff in there. And yeah, I'll link all the stuff, decorative pieces, down below. But yeah, this shower curtain I've had since I moved in. Guys, I moved in April of 2021, so it's been, I think, almost 9 months now. And then to just add some decor in here, I put here some canvas art. It's like fake canvas art that I got from Amazon, so that will be linked down below. I also have this laundry basket. I love this laundry basket. It's like bamboo, it's wood, and it's from, I think, Amazon or Walmart. So you guys will hear me say some stores throughout this video. It's going to be Amazon, Walmart, and Wayfair. That's where I got everything mostly to furnish my apartment. And so yeah, we're out of the bathroom. Let's head out and I'll show you the rest of the apartment. When you exit my bathroom, this is the hallway that you will see. It's a pretty spacious hallway. It's nice. This is like the simple canvas writing art that I got, I think, from Marshall's or something, like a regular local store. I have this ottoman here that's from Target. I think they still have it, so I'm gonna link it down below. I just kept some packages here. And so the hallway continues, but on the left side, we have some doors, and this is all storage. So here is my pantry. I don't really keep food in here. I just use it as extra storage. This here is my coat closet. It has all of my coats. It has all of my suitcases, and then it has my sneaker boxes in here as well. I'll do another video going through all of my storing habits, like my closets. So that's not going to be in here, but just know that this is a closet. And this is also a closet. When I opened this and I realized it was also a closet, I was jumping for joy. Here is my kitchen. My kitchen has to be, even though it's quite spacious, it has to be my least favorite part of my house, just because I wish I had white wood. But I live in the Bronx. This is, as I said, not a luxury apartment, so you get what you get, and I got brown. But regardless of that, it's pretty spacious. It has all the things that I need. Yeah, I have a lot of amenities in here. Nothing special in the kitchen. As you can see, spacious. It is what it is. I come in here, I do what I do. Guys, I live here, I work here, I'm here 24/7, so I'm always in the kitchen. So yeah. So you come in more. Here I have this shelf that I got from Amazon. I've tried to decorate it a little bit, but 9 months later, it still looks the way it looks. But yeah, here. And so here is where I spend most of my time. Where I'm standing between my bedroom and my living room is where I spend most of my time. So we're actually gonna go through the living room first, which is my favorite space, and then we'll get to the bedroom. My bar stools are from Amazon. I just got 2 because I have this. I honestly never sit here to eat because I always want to watch TV. So, but they're here, extra seating when I guess I have guests. And then you come in, I have 3 couches. They're all from Wayfair. So I have this kind of square looking couch. It's what is this thing called? The one-piece version, whatever. And this couch, these are from Wayfair. If I find the link, I will link it down below. But yeah, I love them. They weren't super expensive. I bought them during Black Friday in 2020, so I got a good deal. So yeah, and then I have this third one that's kind of similar, but it's like a circle. And yeah, I really love it. So my pillow covers are from Amazon. The pillow inserts are from Walmart. And yeah, I have this shelf here. This shelf, I believe, is from Amazon as well. It's just like this black wood. It has like my books on the bottom. It has my printer. I work from home, so, and I'm an academic as well. So this space is very, very important. You come in here. Here you have my TV. This TV, I think it's a 60-inch, something like that. And I got it from, I don't know, Target or Walmart. I think it was Walmart or Target. It was during the Black Friday sale of 2020. So I got it. Oh, the pampas grass. I bought another one and it came and it was terrible. Like, it was shedding. It's from the same seller on Amazon, but the new one was terrible. So I'm like, if you're going to sell something and it's a good product, you should keep that good product. But anyway, yeah, my TV stand here is also from Amazon. I love it. Like, I love it. I love it so much. Like, to this day, it's lasted. It's been 9 months. Very sturdy, white gloss. Here we have my coffee table, also from Amazon. And I love it. It's like, I got it at the same time that I got the TV stand, also from Amazon. I'll link it down below. And guys, I built all the furniture by myself. It's not super hard, so you guys could definitely go ahead and purchase it. If you need it, I will link it down below. So yeah, there's not much to say. I love my curtains. They're also from Amazon. I think the set was like $100 for each one. Okay, so it's 4 of these here, and 2 is in 1 pack for $50. So I bought 2 packs. So I thought it was a little pricey, but it's lasted, so that's always good news. So this lamp I got from Walmart. It's like this sparkly whatever 3-head lamp. Yeah, I got it from Walmart. I will link it down below. And then here is where I work, guys. This is like my work haven. I got this thing, I don't know if this could be canvas art, whatever, from Burlington for like $25. Perfect. And then this, my work desk, is from Walmart for like, I think like $50. It's wood and metal, works perfectly. I have my lamp here, guys. It's just my work stuff. Oh, one of my favorite things about my apartment is my acrylic chair. It's like an acrylic desk chair that I think I got from Amazon. I think it's from Amazon. Love it. It's quite stable. The screws come out sometimes, but it was like $80, so it's whatever. Hi, you guys. So we are in my bedroom right now. Sorry, it's a different angle, but the footage that I took in here just now with me kind of in the shot didn't come out the way I wanted, so the perfectionist in me would not put out any sloppy work. So I'm gonna do the video this angle, but you guys will still get the same great footage. So let's get into it. So when you enter my room, here I am at the door. The door closes, and I'll show you guys, you know, how I've arranged it when you come in, and I'll put other footage so you guys can see the whole thing. Shelving behind me, and I have this thing here. And I always wear robes at home, so I bought this really cute hanger thing from Home Goods for like $10, and I hang all of my, if you guys can see, I hang all of my robes here. I have an extra towel here. This is a hoodie. And then here we have another shelving. It's the same one as my shoe shelf, but here I have my boots on top. I have my clutches and then some boots, and then, you know. And so here is the complete angle of my room from the door. And so I will start from here. Here we have my dresser. It's my 5-drawer dresser. This is from Walmart, and then I put the knobs here myself. Here we have this acrylic organizer that I love. It is from Amazon. I have my perfumes on top, and then my lotions, creams, whatever. This is from, I think, Burlington. This is from Amazon. This is from, I think, Forever 21 or Lord & Taylor's when it was closing. And I have my jewelry here. I love this setup. This thing is amazing. I will link it down below. From Walmart. Closes and opens really easily, and I did build it myself. Hi guys, it's me here. So this is my mirror, the same mirror that I've had since college. I love this mirror. I have had this mirror for years, and it's stuck with me, and I don't think I'm gonna throw it out until it doesn't work with my apartment theme anymore. But yeah, here it is. Here I am in the mirror. Hey, what's up? Oh guys, here I have my shoes. You guys have seen this shoe rack before if you follow me on Instagram, or if you've seen some of my previous videos. I actually have a video where I talk about how I built this. And so when I moved in here, I have a 1-bedroom. I had to find a space. So this is kind of like the feature wall in my bedroom. This is the color in my bedroom because my bedroom is mostly white. I have all my big purses up top. Love them. The middle is also purses. If you guys can see, it's all purses. These are blacks, grays, greens, and blues. And then we have on this side, we have brown, whites, neutrals, and then some warm tones here. Love, 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 love this section of my room. If you move here to the right, we have my curtain is the same curtain as the one in the living room. Of course, it's a smaller window, so it's just 2 instead of 4. And then guys, this is my favorite part of my bedroom. This is this wall art. It's the newest part of my room as well. I just printed some pictures of myself. This is a picture that actually a professional photographer took, a friend of mine. Here, my cousin took this. He's also a professional. And then this is just one of my birthday pictures from when I was an undergrad. And then my favorite Bible verse is here. It's also my confirmation verse because I do everything in love, okay? Here is a shelving that I got. I'm missing a frame. It's there. But the vase up top is from... where is it from? I think it's from Burlington, honestly. I think it was like 20 bucks. And then the pampas grass is the same one as the one by the entrance. This, I didn't actually put this in here when I bought it. It was like that. The candles are from Amazon. This, I don't know where it's from. I've had it since I moved here. And then there's this thing that I have to switch. And then my desk, I have this picture of me when I was really young that I love. Have a charging station. This is my frame that's supposed to be there. And my planner and my personal journal here. Down here, my nightstand, I have this thing. It has my sunglasses in there. And then here I have like some notebooks, some books I read, and then my Bible and stuff is in there. Okay, so from this angle, here is my room. You will see my bed is humongous. I love it so much. I was very grateful to be able to get this bed. I got it during Black Friday of 2020, and so it was during the sales over a year ago. And you guys can see the headboard is huge. I was going for that modern silver white look, and so I bought the gray version, and it didn't come with the sparkles. I put the sparkles in there myself. So let me see if I can show you. These come out. See, it's just a needle. Yeah, I just stick it in there. Above my bed, I have this frame that I bought from, I think, either Marshall's or Burlington for like $25, $30. And it's amazing. It fits, it's like the glam in the room because the room is pretty chill, pretty, you know, basic, but it goes so well with my curtains. So I love that. And then I have white bedding. This comforter is actually from Target. And then this is also from Target. The rest is from Amazon. Here, you guys see my vanity. My vanity is actually from Walmart, and it was actually only, I believe, something, less than $300. And you guys, no vanity of this size with these drawers will be $300, okay? So it didn't come in lights, so I just put my own lights, but love this vanity. Like, it was such a good buy. And my acrylic chair was also from Walmart. Love it. I just have my fan and this basic lighting from Walmart as well. So most of the stuff in my room is, as I said, Walmart, Amazon. And then here is my closet. In front of my closet, I have this basic mirror. Hi guys, check me out. I'm just recording. This mirror, it's like an over-the-door mirror that I got from Target for like, I think it was like 17 bucks. And then my closet. I don't have a walk-in closet here anymore. And then this is the other angle. I have this clock here, and then this is the shelf. As you can see, I like how it's facing the door. And then, yeah, here it is. So let me just spin around so you guys can see my room. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. Hope you guys like my apartment. And yeah, ask questions down below. You know, it's a hot mess trying to get an apartment in the Bronx, but you know, it happened for me, and I'm super grateful for the space. Been living here, as I said, for the last 9 months, and it's been great. And yeah, I'm looking forward to just transforming this space more into my home. And so yeah, I will link as much as I can down below. If you have a question about something specific, definitely do comment, and go follow me more on Instagram. I will be making more content on there as well. And yeah, of course, you guys will see more of my space as I film more content. So yeah, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, thank you. I will see you in my next video.